If you want to move beyond using AI and start automating your work, Make.com is one of the most powerful tools available. Make.com is an automation platform. It connects apps and allows them to work together automatically, instead of manually moving information between tools. Make.com does it for you. To understand how this works, let's look at the Make.com website. When you first open Make.com, you'll see your dashboard. This is your control center. This is where you create and manage automations. In Make.com, automations are called scenarios. A scenario is simply an automated workflow. Each scenario starts with a trigger and then performs actions. For example, you could create a scenario where new information gets processed automatically without manual work. To create a scenario, you click Create a new scenario. You'll see a blank canvas. This is where your automation lives. Make.com uses a visual builder. You don't need to write code. You simply add modules. Each module represents an app or an action. For example, you can connect Google Sheets, email, AI tools, and hundreds of other apps. Each module connects to the next, creating a workflow. This is how automation is built. Let's look at a simple example. You can create a scenario where new information is added to Google Sheets. Then Make.com sends that information to an AI tool. The AI processes it and returns a result. Then Make.com stores that result automatically. This entire process runs without manual work. This saves time and reduces repetitive tasks. One of the most powerful features of Make.com is integrations. Make.com connects to hundreds of apps, including Google Email, AI tools, and many others. This allows you to build systems that connect your entire workflow instead of switching between tools. They work together automatically. Another important feature is scheduling. You can decide when automation runs. It can run immediately on a schedule or when triggered by specific events. This gives you complete control over your automation. Make.com also provides detailed execution logs. You can see exactly what happened during each automation. This helps you understand and improve your workflows. Another powerful feature is filters. Filters allow you to control when automation runs. You can define rules that determine what gets processed. This adds intelligence to your automation. Make.com also supports complex workflows. You can create multiple paths and logic. This allows advanced automation without coding. This is how businesses automate processes at scale. But you don't need complex systems to start. Even simple automation creates value. For example, automatically organizing information, processing data, or connecting apps. These small improvements save time every day, and over time, those savings compound. The most important shift is thinking in terms of systems. Instead of manual work, you build automation once and it runs continuously. This is how automation scales. Make.com is one of the best tools for building these systems, and it's accessible even for beginners. If you want to move beyond using AI and start automating with AI, Make.com is one of the best places to start. If you want to learn more practical, beginner-friendly AI automation tutorials, consider subscribing. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. See you in the next one.